Hello guys. Today's video is with my favorite Fenty Beauty where I start moisturizing my face with the Clinique moisturizer, targeting all of the spot which needs to be moisturized. So, how are you guys? Let me know in the comments below by the time I finish moisturizing my face. There you go. I finished it. And now I'm gonna prep my lips with the Clinique Prep and Start Lip Primer. And that will be it. We'll start priming my face with Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Finish Primer, which I'm just using on the spots where the pores are majorly large, so that to cover it up. And then I'll start with my two MAC Cosmetics concealer. One will be in the shade NC 35 and another will be in the shade NC 30. So NC 35 is my perfect shade, which I use to conceal all the spots and all. 30 NC 30 I'm using for highlighting. So as you can see, I'm just using a very little of NC 30 here. I'm using just to highlight it, and now I'm using my damp beauty blender to blend them out. So to blend it out, you just need to dampen your beauty blender, and that will be the perfect one. Sorry for my beauty blender being so dirty because I forgot to clean it up. Although I every time clean it up after using it, but here I forgot, obviously. So now to set it up, I'm using my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana, which is kind of the perfect shade. And also for surprisingly, Huda Beauty setting powder, I have found it one of the best one in the market after Laura Mercier, because it sets out and it cancel out all of the pores in your face, even when you're just using it, only using that, not even on top of concealer or anything. Just use it over your face and your face will be like a smooth surface. So then I'm using this NYX Ultimate palette. This is in the shade warm nude, I guess. And I'm just using some neutral color just to clear out the base and make some crease out, so that my eyes does not look blank, like a blank out matching my face. It should have some crease and some colors onto it. So I'm just using a little bit on my eyes, the inner corner. I'm trying to make a wing out of it, although I failed at it, so I just blend it out. So there I made a V and I'm blending it out with a Morphe brush. All the brushes I'm using are either Morphe or MAC, and a few of the brushes I have from Sephora as well. So here I'm just blending out some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Oh, it's bronzer time. I'm using the Tantastic bronzer from Marc Jacobs. It is one of their limited edition bronzer which has a coconut scent into it. And I'm using a Wet n Wild brush. Yes, it's a Wet n Wild contour brush. So I'm using that just to contour my face and my nose as well. And here you can see after this my chiseled nose, after I chisel my button nose with this contour brush and bronzer. Okay, so this blush is from MAC Cosmetics. It is one of their limited edition Rio Morris, I guess. I forgot the name, although I might be saying it wrong, so please check the description box below to get a clarification on which blush I'm using. And there I'm using the Peach Goddess Jeffree Star. Yay, Jeffree Star! So here I'm using Peach Goddess Jeffree Star highlighter on the high point of my cheeks, as well as you'll see me using them on my nose, in a corner of my eyes. Now I will use it on my nose, obviously. My friends, they make fun of me that, oh my god, now at least you're using it on your nose. But yeah, I do use it on my nose because my nose has to be a beaming one, you know. Now for the mascara time, curling out my lashes with this MAC Cosmetics Girls. Okay, this is, you know this drill. I use a ton of mascaras because clearly I don't usually I don't use any eyeliner or anything, so I use lots of mascara. And there comes the star of the show, Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Unveil. And with that, I'm using KKW Nude 2, and clearly I'm dancing because of Fenty. I love this lipstick so much. I have four of their shades, those four nudes which Fenty just came out with, and the first one, the red one. I'll put all the names in the comment below, sorry, description box below, because I clearly missing out some of the names. It's there, it's not there in my head right now, so I will definitely put them on the description box below. Please check that out. And so here, Unveil, and this is a really good color. It's like a true cool tone dark brown. It reminds me of the true brown K from Kylie Cosmetics. It is somewhere close to that color, but it's a little wearable than true brown. That's it for my wearable grungy look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also comment down below if you guys like this kind of video. I'll see you guys. Bye. Ta-ta.